Breaking news. Reggae icon Tabby Diamond was shot and killed on McKinley Crescent in Kingston last night.
I need a roof over my head.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
So Tabby Diamond is one of the members of the trio group Mighty Diamond, and he was shot and killed last night on McKinley Crescent in Kingston. Mighty Diamonds were known for the song Pass the Chip on the left hand side.
Pass the chip on the left hand side. Pass the chip on the left hand side. It a go pop.
And them have a next hit song where everybody know when name I Need a Roof. You know that song there, I need a roof over my head. So people, it's sad for know say with big reggae legend like that lost him life in such a tragic way. So reports are Tabby was hanging out at one of his popular hangout spot when a car drove up and some man found out a car and just shoot up the ends. Him get a portion of shot, including shot in his face and thing. Tabby Diamond is 67, and it's also understood that a relative of Tabby Diamond was also shot and killed. People, I don't know what going on in Jamaica. That's something as serious. Them just a grow and a kill people. So, and right now, one of our reggae icon, one of our reggae legend, them die by the hands of the gun. Mighty Diamond was formed in 1969, and in 1976 they released a studio album entitled Right Time. People, let me know in the comment section if you are a big fan of Mighty Diamond. You know what I mean? I know enough of the younger folks them probably don't know Mighty Diamond, but them definitely will know the song will say I need a roof over my head or pass the chip on the left hand side. You know what I mean? You know say me not like when them things are going in Jamaica because it make foreigner afraid to return back to Jamaica and them things there. Even though killing go on everywhere, included foreign. You know what I mean? But this is a very sad situation. Sad situation. My condolences to the family of Tabby and definitely to the family and loved one of the relative of Tabby that also died. The relative, they have released the names, so I don't know who, and one person is in custody following the shooting incident. According to Nationwide, the police believe that Tabby was targeted, and a relative of Tabby was also described as a violent producer. I don't know what that means. I guess he might go around and make trouble in the place. I don't know. People you know say me not too like to them dead story. If this never have nothing to do with like, you know, reggae or dance, I'll move forward and do this story. But I wanna be icon, so me definitely have to do it. So rest in peace, Tabby. And if there's any update, I definitely would forward and go on an update. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic or discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And remember, a one way, any other way, or the wrong way. We're gone.